Hi guys, how are you all doing today? So today guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a text overlay layout design on Canva. So right now I'm going to pick my image. So I'm using Fola image for the design. So now I need to fit the image to the page. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. So after that, you add a heading text and write out the name that you want to use for the text overlay layout. So as you can see, I wrote Fola, and you just click on it, then click on effect. So after clicking on effect, you navigate down to type craft. So you click on type craft and it will show up like this. Yes, so you head down, then clean up the hello world, then type in the name again. Yeah, so after typing the name, you can choose whatever the fonts you want and the style you want to use for the effects. So I'll just choose anyone. Okay, I think this one is fine. So I'll choose this. Then this is the most creative part of being a designer. I mean color. So this is where you test your creativity. As you can see, I pick up red color straight up. So there's nothing to debate about the color here. So because the red color blends in with the background color and the black that is putting on. So now to the text overlay layout that we are here for. So you click on the image, then you copy it. So after copying it, you will paste it immediately, then align it together, then click on remove background, and right there you just have your text overlay layout. You see, many people don't, it's so simple, but many people don't know this text overlay layout. Many people don't know how to do it, but it's so simple. So now I think I'll just turn this whole thing to album cover or something like that. So I will just add Fola Pondis. That's the slogan, right? Fola Pondis. So that is it about the text overlay layout for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on your notification for more design tips like this. And let me know in the comment section what design tips would you like me to do next. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.